Ladies and gentlemen, I am Emmanuel Saleh, a graduate of mechanical engineering from Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria, here in Nigeria. I'm also a born-again child of God with a desire to serve God. In 2009, I observed that young Christians growing up from Christian homes here in Nigeria end up embracing Islam due to the way Islamic scholars convince them and confuse them from scriptures which they misinterpret. And then so many young Christians grow up with questions in their heart that cannot be answered even by clerics. And then they end up accepting atheistic philosophies which to them might look more logical. And then I felt there's a need to present the gospel of Christ in a way that it appeals both to the mind of the person listening and it's in such a logical and analytical way that both the mind and the emotions and the conscience is appealed to with the sole aim of getting that soul saved unto Christ. And I felt that I can be such an instrument that will portray the gospel of Christ in a most acceptable and reasonable way. OCCA, I believe, is an opportunity to get trained, to be able to effectively communicate the gospel, to both understand the gospel and to understand other religions and how to effectively express it out to people in an acceptable way, and also to be able to discomfit antagonists to the gospel of Christ, people that adhere to oppose the gospel, to prove to them that Christ remains the Lord. And then I believe that being from a third world country, it might be difficult to afford everything that this course entails, but with scholarship and sponsorship, I should be able to undergo this course successfully and become a mighty instrument in the hand of God for the expansion of His kingdom here on earth. Thank you very much.